and welcome back. In today's video I thought I'd share with you some of the caravan meals that I made whilst we were away in Southwold. Now, I am no chef by any means, but I just thought I would share with you just some meals that we enjoyed whilst we were away in the caravan. Now, for my cooking setup, I use an air fryer and a multi-cooker. I bought this multi-cooker from B&M, oh gosh, it must be about 6 years ago now, and it is the best £30 I ever spent. It's so easy to clean, you can literally just wipe it clean, and there you are, job's done. Obviously, it's electric, the multi-cooker is. It can be quite powerful, so you just have to make sure that you're being mindful what ampage you've got for your pitch at the time and that you don't have too many things switched on at the same time. I've been really impressed with our multi-cooker. There are so many things that you can make in it. There's a really good Facebook group where people share lots of food that they've cooked on their multi-cooker whilst they've been away camping. It really is very versatile. I've seen people cook chips on there and even pizzas. And for the pizzas, people tend to recommend these pizza mesh like circle things. So they go in the bottom of your multi-cooker and then you pop your pizza on top. As you can see, I've not tried it yet, but I just picked these up from Amazon and they weren't too expensive. So that means that I don't need to use the oven and I can cook a pizza on the multi-cooker. I know that lots of people have the Cadac barbecues. We haven't got one of them. Our friend does have one and they haven't used it since they got their multi-cooker, as they say that the multi-cooker is so much easier to clean. They only have the Cadac now at home for if they ever had a barbecue. The multi-cooker is so versatile and there are so many things that can be made in it. Lots of different pasta dishes such as spaghetti bolognese and risotto as well can be made in it so simply, and that one pot where it's only one thing that you're having to wash up. We did try HelloFresh a while back, and whilst we did enjoy it, it wasn't very caravan friendly as it meant using lots of different things at the same time, such as a cooker or maybe the microwave or the air fryer, whereas I just like to use one thing, that multi-cooker, and it is brilliant as it wipes away so clean, so easily, and it's so versatile as well. That's why I thought I'd just share with you some of the meals that we've enjoyed using the multi-cooker. Now, I took the inspiration for a lot of the meals from this Taming Twins book. It's called What's for Dinner and it's by Sarah Rossi. She's got a really good Instagram page, Taming Twins, and you can sign up as well to her emails, and she's got a website where she shares lots of recipes as well. I thought it was very appropriate to use some of her recipes as she loves to holiday in Aldeburgh, which is where we were when we cooked up some of these meals. Now, a firm favourite of most caravanners is, of course, fajitas. You can obviously use chicken. I use thin cut steaks in this time around, and I made up my own spices mix for it. You can of course buy packet mixers, but this was really simple and easy to make. For the fajita seasoning, I just used 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 2 tablespoons of paprika, some cayenne pepper, garlic granules, sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Another meal that we really enjoyed whilst we were away was the 15-minute BLT pasta. I did cook the pasta separately on our electric ring on the cooker in the caravan, but I made all the rest in the multi-cooker. Now, I have cooked pasta before in the multi-cooker with the sauce, particularly when I've been doing spaghetti bolognese. You just need to add a bit more stock to it. For the 15-minute BLT pasta, it's simply some pasta, smoked bacon lardons, some cherry tomatoes which have been halved, baby spinach leaves, creme fraiche, whole grain mustard and some Parmesan cheese. was a really simple dish and we all really enjoyed it. Next up we had the one pot lamb orzo. I really like orzo, but is it rice or is it pasta? For me it's pasta. Obviously you can do lots of different ways of orzo, but we really enjoyed this. We had some lamb mince and then it added in some ground cumin, dried oregano, garlic granules, some red peppers, tomato puree, oregano and some vegetable stock, baby spinach leaves, and some lemon juice and feta cheese then crumbled on the top at the end. This dish was full of flavour and we all really enjoyed it. It's definitely a dish that we would have again. We really enjoyed crispy gnocchi with bacon. Again, another Taming Twins recipe. For that, the ingredients were pretty simple. You just fried off the gnocchi in some olive oil. Adding then smoked bacon lardons, courgettes chopped up, some garlic and herb cream cheese, some whole milk, and then some frozen peas. Next up we had Moroccan style chicken with couscous. This was just some chicken breasts, peppers, couscous, vegetable stock, then some dried apricots cut into small pieces. And for the spice paste, it was simply made up with some cumin, cinnamon, paprika, ground turmeric and sunflower oil. Couscous is always so easy to make and it goes so well as a salad, particularly when it's really warm with some meats. We really enjoyed this lamb couscous. It wasn't spicy at all. Maisie's not really into spicy food. But it still had lots of flavour and we all really enjoyed it. And of course, you can't go wrong with burger and chips. I have to recommend the condiments from Marks and Spencer's. They're not at all expensive and some of them are the perfect caravan size, particularly the malt vinegar and their olive oil spray as well. It's so handy for the caravan. We really like their burger sauce. If you've not tried it, chef's kiss, you've got to. It's so nice. I think it's only about £2 and it tastes just like McDonald's Big Mac sauce. Their tomato ketchup as well. Oh, it's such good value. I think it's only £1 and again that is packed full of flavour and I can't recommend it enough. And of course you can't go wrong with a ham and cheese toastie on the multi-cooker. They are delicious and a perfect caravan lunch. I hope you've enjoyed this video. It was just simply sharing some ideas from some different caravan meals that you can make whilst you're away. Please do let me know in the comments if you found it useful or if you have any other multi-cooker recipes that you like in your caravan or any other caravan meals. Please do let me know. I really enjoy reading your comments. Thank you so much for coming back. If you're already subscribed, your support is much appreciated. If you haven't already subscribed, please do consider it. It's free, doesn't cost you anything, and it would be brilliant. I'm so close now to 1,000 subscribers, and your support is much appreciated. Many thanks for watching, and take care.